Guys, welcome back to another new video to the Manoj Tech. Thank you. Today here there comes new brand Nothing Phone 2 review. It comes with Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, 8GB to 128GB storage, 6.67 inches, full HD display with highest resolution of power. Here it is the new brand with 50 dual camera setup of Sony IMAX 890 censored and very nice. 120 Hz refresh rate and resolutions comes of 1080 into 2412 with 120 Hz with fingerprint sensor, and mainly the phone comes with Android 13 and many more updated features. Camera comes mainly dual camera of 50 megapixel. And moving to the next one, as you know, the camera is full changed and it comes with fast charger. I think it may be 80 volt something or 35, I don't know, but today its launch is 8:30 night, so we have to wait. And the battery cover comes with 4700 mAh type C to type C connector. Basically in Nothing Phone 1 it comes with only 4500 mAh. It has improved to 100 mAh battery, and power button, volume rockers, auto adjustment, you can call anything. That's it. And you can see whatever I have given, and it comes with many different including many varieties with a upgrade processor and anything. It comes with glamour composer which allow custom ringtone with using gleam lighting, super fast charger. Price may be 40,000 or above. You can pre-order in Flipkart. uh, they have given, and the launch is 11th July 8:30. So thank you so much for it. Make sure hit the like, subscribe button and share video as much as possible. If you don't understand language, do not skip. Please watch completely.